Up to Landscape Arch, the trail is broad and smooth. This is where the primitive trail begins. Even though it's designated as a primitive trail, it's a good trail. The slick rock ascent up between these fins is fun. At the top, it's a rock garden. Lots of wildflowers, pinyons, junipers, and desert scrub, like this shinnery oak. You can add short side trips to Partition and Navajo Arch. Double O is straight ahead. I think walking along the top of this fin is one of the highlights of the hike. It's the roof of arches, and there are broad vistas in every direction. Sure, there are some other double arches in the park, and I love them all. Instead of the arches being side by side, it's one arch on top of the other. I don't think any other arches are like this. Once you've enjoyed the arch, you can go back the way you came. Or if you'd like to see some new terrain, you can take the primitive loop back to Landscape Arch.